Every advanced electronics product starts as an idea. The hard part is turning it into something you can actually build at volume, reliably, on spec. That's what Heisler Semiconductor does. We take advanced electronics from prototype to a manufacturable product, design, process, and assembly, coordinated as one path to production. It starts with engineering, data-driven process development that gets your device to yield faster, with fewer iterations. Then the process stack. Laser processing. Wafer-level packaging. Die bonding. Wire bonding. And advanced packaging plus vacuum processes and PCB assembly. The full path to a finished, tested part. Every step is backed by inspection, metrology, and validation, so you get known good parts and traceability, not surprises. And because we're capital light, you reach production without building your own fab or tooling a line. Your capital stays in your product. Medical and bio. RF systems. Advanced sensors. High reliability industrial electronics. If it's advanced electronics, we help you make it. Heisler Semiconductor. Process more.